Hello everyone, my name is Diego Jimenez, software engineering student, and it is my third activity, and we will start. COCOMO are the initials of constructive cost model that basically is a model for estimating effort, cost, and schedule for software projects. The first version of this model was developed by Barry W. Boehm in the late 1970 and finally published in 1981. Due to this, the first version of this model is also known as COCOMO 81. Levels is composed by three levels: basic, used for quick estimation, little precise, intermediate, similar to the basic model but adding attributes that can be used for an estimation more detailed, or the third, detailed, similar to the intermediate model but adding some improvements to be an estimation more detailed. COCOMO. This model basically is an updated version of the initial COCOMO. This updated version is published and used mainly from the 1990 and is adapted to the current life cycle of software development models. Because this updated model is applicable to quick development of application, re-engineering, object-oriented programming, and non-sequential application, etc. The characteristics: it is a tool based on lines of code, which makes it very powerful for estimating cost and not like other that only measure effort based on size. It is the most extensive empirical model for software estimation. COCOMO counts with automatic tools for estimate cost based like Cursor and COCOMO 81. The models. COCOMO 2 is composed by three different models, which are: composition of the application model, generally used for projects developed with modern GUI tools; a pre-architecture model used to obtain a strong estimation about cost and time before determining the architecture of the project; and post-architecture model. It is the more detailed model and generally is used after the architecture of the project has been developed. Accommodating progression. Three-level model that allows increasingly detailed estimates to be prepared as development progresses. Early prototyping level, based on object points, sample formula. Early design level, based on function points that are then translated to lines of source code log. Post-architecture level estimates based on log. Early prototyping level. Support prototyping projects and projects where there is extensive reuse, and estimates effort in object points, staff month. PM, NOB, adds E, and it is the formal. Prod, where PM is the effort in person months. NOB is the number of object points, and prod is the productivity. Early design level. Estimates made after requirements are confirmed. It is the formula where A is 2.5 in initial calibration, size in KLOC. B varies from 1.1 to 1.24 depending of novelty of project. Development flexibility, risk management. Approach and process maturity. EM is ASLAC. It's 100. ATPROD. M is its formula. Multipliers. Multipliers reflect capability of developers. Non-functionals requirements, familiarity with development platform, etc. RCP adds both reliability and complexity. RUSE, the reuse required. PDIF, platform difficulty. PREEX, personnel experience. PERS, personnel capability. SCED, required schedule. FCIL, the team support facilities. Post-architecture level, use same formula as early design estimates. Estimate of size adjusted to account for requirements volatility, rework required to support change, extents of possible reuse. A slug is its formula. A slug is equivalent number of lines of the new code. A slug is the adjusted number of lines of reusable code which must be modified. DM is the percent of the design modified. CM is the percent of the code that is modified. IM is the percent of the original integration effort required for integrating the reused software. SU is a factor based on the cost of software understanding. A is a factor which reflects the initial estimates cost of deciding if software might be reused. Factors. Kokomo 2 model includes a new concept, which is the scale factors, which are break related to previous similar developments, flex related to flexibility of the development, res related to the management of risk and the architecture, EAM related to the cohesion of the development team, EPML related to a maturity level. Okay, that is all. Thank you for your attention, and I am Diego Jimenez.